Welcome back to another video, and today's video is gonna be a trade recap on for the trades that I took this week. And I am recording this video on the day I'm gonna post, or on the day I am posting, because I wanted to include the last trade I took was that too, because that is on today for Friday that I took around 8:45, which was a really good trade as well. This whole week was really good because I followed my plan and I had the same trades over and over because they were all on supply and demand and all on order blocks. So the first trade that I took was on an order block as well, but this was a previous trade that I had marked as well. As you could see, if you watch my last video, it was the same order block that it came in again. It broke structure to the upside, then went back, then I marked a small little order block that where my stop loss was underneath the previous one, because you never know, market comes down just to take a liquidity and then go back up. That's what I taught the previous video as well. So I had a 10 pips buffer of stop loss where if market came down, it would not hit my stop loss. But market didn't come down, it tapped in, went right up. I was just looking at the market and I was just like, wait, like, why is gold moving like a last year? Like, why is it just pumping? And as I told you, gold moves on news mostly. Yes, it is a good pair. You make good money, but it is like if you master gold, you could master any pair because this is the most like pair that hunts your stop loss a lot. It will test levels that are like 2 years or a year behind. It will come back just to test those levels and go back right up. So right now it's in a correction phase. My first trade was on order blocks. Second trade was on an order block as well. This trade was really clean and a really good setup. It came down, went right back up, didn't stop. I had the marked the previous high, which if that broke, it would go back up. It broke. I took my TP, didn't want to overtrade. Then the last trade was today. It was around 8:45. It was on order block as well. Had that marked, had a buy limit placed, went right in, right back out, and I had a good ratio, which I just marked the previous high because I don't really take trades on Monday or Friday like that. But Friday I do. But Friday I try to get out before the market closes, which obviously like if you're trading around 8:30 a.m., the the sessions are obviously like if especially when you trade gold, you'll be out by an hour or two. If the trade takes a lot of time, it's probably 3 hours. So I took an early trade, but I got out not even waiting for the market to break above the structure. I just marked the previous high, took my TP there. But yeah, so I took three trades. My first trade was a really good trade. Second trade was really good as well. Third trade, I had to make it because obviously your boy can't be taking only two trades. So I took three trades just for this week as well. And really good. But yeah, so any yeah, I think I had a lot of questions about the chart settings. I am gonna change my chart, my candle patterns, and everything else because obviously I'm so used to this. This has been like probably for like 2 years, the color it has been. But I'm gonna change it because obviously this doesn't really suit how I trade, and I trade ICT as well. I'm trying to learn that as well, which it's taking a lot of time because this guy has a lot of videos that I have to just go through and take notes because obviously I have a thing where I will thing is this a good tip. Whenever you're learning something, let's say through a YouTube video, take tips, take important key factors of what the person is saying. Even when you read a book, write the keynotes or highlight them, the main points that are really important. So when you come back and you look back at it, you have these highlighted key points in a book or like in your notebook that you have written down, which will make you think. And if you do forget it, because obviously people don't even remember the last 5 TikToks they scroll, they don't remember those. So if you do come back to your notes, you obviously have a conscious memory of what you saw. And as soon as you read the book, you will know, okay, this is this is where I read this. This is really, really important. I should implement this again in my life if I have forgotten about it. So whenever you watch a video or you're trying to learn a course, I always recommend taking notes as much as you can, because when you write something down, it memorizes more than just looking at it and just visually trying to memorize something, which I guess a lot of people have different fortes, but I've seen even people that have good memory, even if they write it down, it's much more better. It's just a much more better understanding of things you have. And I am gonna say that when I was trading gold, I had a lot of DMs about, oh, like, um, that should I invest more capital in my personal account than in a funded account? I always recommend whatever you make through funded accounts, use that money, because obviously then you feel like, oh, like this is a real money, I could use it, but have a thing where like have a set goal, like, okay, this month I'm going to deposit this much on the next month I'll deposit $100 more, or like how much you're making. If you're making 20K, 10K, 5K, 2K, 1K, have, let's say if you're making 1K, just be like 500 goes to my personal account, or 700, 300 I'll use it for something else, which then you'll have this fire in you, or this desire where you feel like, okay, let me make more, because you at least use that money. It's not like the whole thing, though your whole time the money is just going through account, or you're saving it, because then you won't have the fruit to enjoy it, or you won't enjoy it because you have never used it or never spent it. So it'll feel fake a little bit. And obviously trading is like that type of money making machine where it doesn't even feel real, like making. Sometimes I take a trade and it hits TP right away, which I make, I guess, someone's weekly salary right away, and it doesn't even feel real till you realize it came to your account or you used it for some important purpose. Don't use your money on stupid stuff. Use it for good investment, which will help you in the longer run, or which will make your health better in the longer run. That is my tip for that as well, because obviously trading comes with outside knowledge as well. So you'll know the news knowledge, have a good understanding about outside world, where what is going on in the news. Um, what is Trump, especially what is Trump doing, because Trump is doing a lot of stuff for Canada as well. The whole tariffs thing that's going on, they reached to a new deal. The bridge that is made affects a lot of other outcomes as well, because then if American gold is, or American dollar is going down, then gold is obviously going to rise. But Trump is a businessman, so as you could see, like even now he's trying to plan something to launch a new meme coin or something. So it depends a lot how you take trading, because obviously people take it unseriously. So then you make not the serious money, you don't have your full potential. Like you're not doing full, like, you know what's your full potential, and if you don't use the full potential, it is something that will haunt you 2 years down the line or 3 years down the line, when you think, oh, I should have just put my full potential here. So trading is that where you need to full lock in. And that is it for the video. And this is another trade recap. I'll come next week with a different video, different concept. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe as well.